In this video, we're going to show you how to control online booking per location. Decide which of your site's patients can book into online and which stay private. When you take bookings online, you do not have to open up every site you work from. Velastria lets you decide, location by location, which of your clinic's patients can book into online and which stay invisible to them. And to keep you safe, every location starts switched off, so nothing is bookable online until you deliberately turn it on. This is your locations page. Look at the column headed Bookable Online. Right now, every site says no, which means patients cannot self-book at any of them yet. Nothing is exposed by accident. To open a site up, find it in the list and click Edit. Let's open the Mayfair Clinic. Inside the location settings, there is a Bookable Online option. Switch it to Yes, patients can book here online, and as the note explains, the moment you save, this site's clinic appointments start appearing as bookable slots. Switch it back to No, and they disappear again. Then just press Save Location. The change takes effect straight away. There is no waiting and nothing to deploy. One important safeguard to understand: even when a location is switched on, only its consultation clinics ever become bookable. Operating theatre lists, admin days, and days off are never offered to patients, whatever you do. So a hospital that runs both clinics and theatre lists will only ever show its clinics online, and its theatre time stays private. In fact, if you try to switch on a location that looks like an operating theatre, Velastria will warn you before you save. So, to control online booking by location, go to your locations page, where every site starts switched off. Click Edit on the one you want to open, set Bookable Online to Yes, and save. Only that sites' clinics become bookable, never its theatre lists, and you can switch any location back off again at any time.